Welcome to the second module of Cyrima tutorial, where you'll discover the straightforward process of integrating Cyrima into your project management environment. In this module, we will lead you through the step-by-step installation and configuration of Cyrima. Exploring subscription variants and payment options will shed light on the flexibility and choices available to you. Additionally, we will delve into the critical aspects of roles and responsibilities, empowering you to optimize your experience through the administration dashboard for effective Cyrima management. Let's dive in. Cyrima is designed to work seamlessly within Jira project management software, allowing teams to manage project security directly in their existing Jira workflows. Jira integration is essential for leveraging Cyrima's knowledge management engine, which generates a backlog of tasks, in particular important for ensuring compliance and real-time project security management. Whether you're a new Jira user or part of an organization already familiar with it, this guide will walk you through every step of the Cyrima installation and registration process, ensuring you are equipped to maximize its capabilities. Let's get started on making your projects more secure and compliant right with the tools you already use. If your organization is new to Jira, start by setting up a Jira instance where Cyrima will be installed. Go to the Jira setup page here. Provide a name for your Jira instance, which will host Cyrima, and select the free version. When prompted, choose a project template. The template choice is flexible and won't affect the Cyrima setup. Once your Jira instance is set up and ready, navigate to the Cyrima page on the Jira Marketplace. To get started, follow these simple steps. Log into Jira as an admin. Remember, only users with administrative access can perform this installation. From the top navigation bar, select the Apps drop-down menu and choose Explore New Apps. In the search bar, type Cyrima to locate the app. Once you've found the app, click on Get App. The installation process will begin automatically. After a brief moment, you will receive a notification confirming the installation is complete. You are now ready to start using Cyrima. Now it's time to register your company in Cyrima. Click Get Started on the notification to initiate company registration within Cyrima. This form gathers essential information for licensing and configuring the plugin, including your company's location and industry, to help Cyrima align with applicable regulatory requirements. Let's start by entering the email associated with your Jira administration account and generating an API token. The API token is essential for Cyrima's initial setup, enabling secure communication between Jira and Cyrima's process repository. To generate API token, go to the top right corner of Jira, click your user avatar to open a new tab, and then select Manage Account. Under the Security tab, navigate to API token, then click Create and Manage API tokens. Then click Create API token, name it, for example, Cyrima, and click Create to generate it. Copy this token and pass it into the registration form. The final step is to complete the registration by filling out all necessary fields and confirming to finalize the process. Once completed successfully, Cyrima will be enabled within your Jira apps. The Cyrima plugin is now installed and ready to use. Open Jira's Apps tab and select Cyrima from the menu. This opens Cyrima dashboard where you can, for example, create new projects directly within Cyrima. This is an alternative way of setting up projects in Jira, access training materials, view the Cyrima framework, and manage subscription settings. Now that you are familiar with navigating Cyrima and its features, we would like to introduce you to the available subscription and payments options. Cyrima provides free subscription plans tailored to diverse organizational requirements. First is Cyrima Essentials Plan, tailored for small businesses, NGOs, and distributors, supports up to 10 users and seamlessly integrates with Jira Free. Focus on managing external IT and security service providers, this simplified framework is ideal for low-risk projects. For those requiring more advanced features, Cyrima Standards Plan is priced at €700 per month and supports up to 100 users. This plan targets B2B service providers and software development companies managing low to medium risk projects. Cyrima Enterprise Plan, aimed at large organizations, is priced at €2,500 per month and supports up to 500 users. This plan offers a hybrid project management framework, blending agile and waterfall methodologies, making it well suited for regulated markets and high-risk projects. Enterprise variant includes free support in Cyrima implementation into your organization operating model. Cyrima offers flexible subscription and payments options for both standards and enterprise plans, designed to suit a variety of needs and financial strategies. Users can choose between monthly or annual billing, with the flexibility to cancel before the next billing cycle. Subscriptions can be conveniently managed through the Jira integrated client dashboard. Payment options include either one-time payment for the entire billing period or a cyclical payment, which automatically renews at the end of each cycle. For one-time payments, the subscription remains active for the selected duration, monthly or annually, after an upfront payment is made. With cyclical payments, subscriptions renew automatically at the beginning of each billing cycle. Cyrima also allows users to upgrade their plans at any time, with changes taking effect immediately upon processing the transaction. This flexibility ensures that your subscription can scale alongside your project or organizational needs. If you would like to change your subscription, you need to access the client dashboard by logging into the Jira, navigating to the Apps section and locating the Cyrima application. From there, select Manage Cyrima Subscription from the menu. Follow the prompts within the dashboard to upgrade your current subscription to a higher plan, whether it's from Essential to Standards or from Standard to Enterprise. If you're on a monthly or annual billing cycle, any billing adjustment resulting from the upgrade will be reflected in the subsequent billing period according to your chosen payment method, whether it's one-time or cyclical. If needed, you can also reach out to Cyrima support for assistance with plan changes or customization requests. Now, let's take a moment to explore the roles and responsibilities within Cyrima. Understanding this is crucial for streamlined project management and upholding security compliance standards. Each role within Cyrima carries specific tasks and responsibilities that contribute to the success of projects. Cyrima defines the following key roles. As the Cyrima admin, your primary responsibility is to configure and manage the platform within Jira. This includes tasks such as installing Cyrima, registering the company, managing company data, and creating projects. Currently, only the admin can perform this task. You are also responsible for overseeing user access, managing user roles, customizing settings to align with organizational needs, ensuring security standards across all projects, and handling overall system maintenance tasks. Additionally, the admin can submit requests for advisory support, manage the subscription plan, and ensure the platform operates efficiently while complying with internal and external regulations. With full access to all functionalities and content, the admin plays a critical role in the successful implementation and operation of Cyrima. In the role of a project manager, product owner, or user assigned to a project, your primary focus is on managing projects within the Cyrima framework to ensure they are securely handled and compliant with relevant regulations. Your responsibilities include defining project baselines, utilizing Cyrima's security and compliance features effectively, managing risks, ensuring regulatory compliance in high-risk environments, coordinating tasks within Cyrima, and communicating with clients or stakeholders regarding security and compliance milestones. Users assigned to a project have access to the project itself and its instructional content generated by Cyrima. Access to project is determined at the Jira level, with user being the corresponding role within the Cyrima ecosystem. In the role of a user, your primary interaction with Cyrima involves completing assigned tasks while supporting security protocols and ensuring compliance with established requirements. Key responsibilities include executing tasks according to provided security guidelines, adhering to compliance rules defined by Cyrima, providing regular updates on task statuses, and reporting any potential risks and issues. All users also have access to the Cyrima process repository, allowing them to reference and utilize process-related documentation as part of their responsibilities. In the system, we also distinguish 3 additional contact roles that are not directly tied to system functionalities. This is, for example, technical administrator, who receives notification related to the system technical operations, such as updates, maintenance breaks, and other technical alerts. Business supervisor, who receives business-related notification, currently focused on pricing updates. And accountant, who serves as the primary contact for any billing or invoicing issues. By clearly outlining these roles and responsibilities, Cyrima ensures efficient project management while maintaining high standards of security and compliance throughout its operations. Armed with knowledge about these roles and responsibilities, you can effectively navigate and manage your projects within the Cyrima framework. In this final section of Module 2, we will look at the core function of Cyrima Administration through the client dashboard. This dashboard provides all the tools you need to manage your Cyrima setup. The user dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your Cyrima subscription. Here, you can view and control key aspects of your subscription, including access permissions and configuration details. The dashboard provides an overview of your current plans, its expiration date, and options to modify your subscription. You can easily upgrade to a higher plan, purchase a paid plan, or extend your existing one directly from this section. Below the subscription details, you'll find a record of recent payments, along with access to download invoices such as VAT receipts. Additionally, the top menu allows you to navigate seamlessly to other parts of the platform. Let's assume that you want to switch plans. The dashboard makes it simple to update your subscription based on your project's needs. You have full control over your subscription. For instance, if you are on a free essential plan, you can easily upgrade to a paid standard or enterprise plan available with monthly or yearly billing. Paid upfront. If you are already on a paid plan, you can extend your subscription, upgrade to a higher plan, for example, from standard to enterprise or both. Renew your subscription while upgrading instantly. Payments can be made quickly and securely using Stripe with a credit or debit card or via a traditional bank transfer if preferred. Often, teams might start using Cyrima's free version for a project, thinking it will be enough at first. But as they dig deeper and see that the project involves more risk and complexity that the free version can handle, they can smoothly switch to a higher plan, either standard or enterprise, whenever they need during the project. The flexibility means that moving to a higher plan is quick and easy. It lets you adjust to project's changing needs without wasting time or disrupting your work. Just update your subscription to make sure the new plan supports everything your project requires, like handling more complex risks and following specific rules. This way, you can grow your solution as the project evolves, making sure you have the right tools ready without any unnecessary holdups. It's important to note that upgrading your subscription does not retroactively change the content or security levels of instruction for projects created under the previous plan. For example, if a project was initially created with a low security level, upgrading to a higher plan will not change it to medium or high. However, for new projects created after the upgrade, users will be able to select higher security levels in line with the new plan. Occasionally, you may need to update your contact information. If your details, such as your email or billing address, change, you can easily make adjustments directly from the dashboard. Users can manage their company and contact details for different sections of Cyrima. Company information can be updated via the Cyrima plugin admin panel in Jira software by navigating to Apps, then Manage your apps, and then choose Cyrima admin panel. Contact details, on the other hand, can be modified in Client dashboard under the Company section within the Contacts Data tab. Here, you will need to provide the three key contacts mentioned earlier: a technical administrator, a business representative, and an accounting contact. In the following tab, you can edit or add billing information. Contact and billing details can also be entered or updated during each payment process for added flexibility. By mastering these administrative tools, you ensure that your Cyrima setup runs smoothly and adapts to the changing needs of your organization.